Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to change your Messenger phone picture and name quickly. First of all, open your Messenger and then on the top left click your profile picture. Then go ahead and click on a certain picture and then click on the picture and then tap edit name or edit photo, and then once you're there, choose a photo of your liking. Once you're in there, choose a photo of your liking to add whichever photo you want to add as your profile picture, and then save the changes. Avoid using personal IDs like your full legal name if you want privacy. Quick fix: if you want update, refresh your Facebook profile, Messenger pulls data from there, and that's it. Subscribe.